Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix my Instagram account not showing in search. To fix this, first of all, open your Instagram application and then click on the human icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, what you need to do is you have to go on the three lines which is on the top right corner of your screen, then select settings. From here, go through the privacy and then select messages. And now here you will see who can add you to groups. Go through it and make sure that everyone on Instagram is toggled on. By doing this, you can fix your Instagram account not showing in search issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.